Hello, my fellow foodies. Welcome back to your foodie friend. Today, let's make a quick recipe of Kaima Idli with leftover idlis at home. Heat some oil in kadhai and add 1 cup of onions. Cook for 5 minutes and add carrots. Cook for another 5 minutes and cover it with a lid. We want to soften the vegetables here. Now I am adding capsicums. You can add any vegetable of your choice or whatever is available at home. Now add tomatoes. We need to cook the vegetables very well. Let's add the spices now. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then add red chili powder. You can either take Kashmiri red chili or degi mirch. Then I'll be adding kitchen king masala in it. Please remember not to add garam masala. Add kitchen king masala of any brand of your choice. Now add soya sauce and tomato ketchup to enhance the flavors. Lastly, I'll be adding lemon juice. You can also add vinegar in it to give a little bit of sourness. Now I'll be adding the leftover idlis. You can cut it in any shape or size of your choice. Remember to fold the idlis very lightly with very light hand, otherwise you are going to break it. And now our yummy idlis are ready to be served. You can see the color here is perfect. Do try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. And do like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Your Foodie Friend. Happy eating!